He was injured on the job chasing an escaped prisoner at Loyola University Medical Center, where he worked as a security officer. Now he says he was fired because of his injury. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey is digging into the man's case and why he says the hospital's policy needs to change.
He says he was protecting the hospital and the community when he got hurt, but Loyola University Medical Center says they followed policy when they fired him at the end of his medical leave. He was at one point the face of hospital campus security. John Schildigan was working as a security officer at Loyola University Medical Center in December 2016 when he got a call that a prisoner patient in the custody of Elmwood Park Police had escaped from the ER.
We didn't hesitate because we knew what it was. So we began to run, and we were a couple buildings away.
Schildigan caught up with the prisoner on foot and took him into custody. But during the pursuit, he severely injured his foot. That left him with a limp, several surgeries, and 10 months of medical leave later, and his doctors said he still couldn't return to his officer job. Schildigan says he requested a light-duty job that would have allowed him to work at a desk. But instead, he got a call from Loyola saying his time on leave was up, and according to policy, he was let go.
And basically, they discriminated against me because of my disability for doing my job. It was the safety of the doctors, the nurses, the public, the visitors. That's my job. So, I didn't think I was going to get injured in the process.
Loyola's policy is 6 months unless there are mitigating circumstances. Schildigan says he hopes that policy will change. He also believes he was fired in retaliation for filing complaints. Now he's taking his concerns to the Illinois Department of Human Rights and Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. A spokesperson for Loyola told me he could not comment, saying that as a policy they do not give information about employee relations or individual employees. In Maywood, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 News.
Megan, thank you. Schildigan had worked for Loyola for 4 years before he was fired.